Hi everyone, if you have been using the Qwen app and wondering on how to use the video generate on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use video generate in the Qwen app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Qwen app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now scroll to your right at the VIP features, just right here, just like this. Now here you can find interact with video content. Now simply tap on it. Now here you can find that to use the video generate, you need to get the pro access on the Qwen app. Now simply tap onto the continue button. After that, you can simply add your payment method and buy it. And only after buying it, you can use the video generate in the Qwen app. And that's it. This is how you can use the video generate in the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.